new reduced price Hoover from Dyson. Those bins need emptying. I'll maybe have to edit that out, but anyway. So first off we have this room here, which is my son's room. So I got this rug from a shop in Hare Hills called, I think, GD Carpets or JD Carpets. I got 2 of these for about £60, which is a bargain. Then the carpet was Leeds City Council. They only carpeted 2 of the rooms, but I'm really grateful for that. This wreath I got from Lidl this week, and then this hook. These hooks I got from, I don't actually know where I got those from, maybe Lidl as well. I need to get a lamp shade for there, and then this is all clutter which needs sorting out. The shoe rack I got from St Luke's Cares on Dewsbury Road. These crates of clothes need putting away. The bed was from Foundation Housing in my previous flat that I lived in. Bread bins I think are Dunelm. Chair Dunelm potty I think was maybe ordered on Amazon. So this room needs a lot of work, to be honest. I haven't really got to grips with where I'm beginning of it all, but I know that that bed for my son needs a new memory foam mattress, and then there needs to be posters on the walls. I need a lampshade, and that bed needs a new mattress, and then I just need to assemble a couple of cupboards in here, so there's quite a lot still to be done, but it is, at least it's tidy and it's very clean, which is good. Then we go into the bathroom, so this is all very clean. So we have got a list here of things I need to get, which is cabinet and a mirror, which I've got. I just need to assemble shelves. I haven't actually even bought the shelves yet, or the drill. In fact, that reminds me, I need to go to B&Q today to buy the drill. Towel ladder, actually, I've already got one of those, so I should take that off because I don't need a towel ladder anymore. I just used this, which was the back of a chair, which broke when I sat on it, and then I just used it as a towel ladder to put towels on, which is quite convenient. Bath toys and net, I need that, and a large mirror, I need that. But it's all very clean. I've got like a nice marble toothbrush holder there, some tangerine soap, and a soap holder as well. And then I've got lots of things in there like hand masks and shower caps. This is my bathtub. I don't actually have much here in terms of products because everything's run out, but I do have this Clarins body scrub, which is really nice. I got it when I had a birthday aromatherapy treatment at St James's shopping centre in Edinburgh. They didn't give it to me, I bought it, but it's lovely. It's a sugar polisher and a citrus flavour. And the only other recommendation I have really here, because I've run out of everything else, is this oat cleansing balm from the Inkey list. You put it on your face and it leaves your skin like really, really nice and soft. So I recommend that. And then I always use exfoliating gloves and the loofah, which is great. The bath actually still doesn't work, and I need to get that fixed, but the shower, thankfully the shower does work. Then we've got like bath salts, mouthwash, which I always use, and just some cleaning products there. Clean toilet, everything's nice and clean. Oh, this is another recommendation. It's like emollient bath oil from E45, and it leaves your skin really soft. It's good body care. Got some weighing scales. And I'm just trying to think, we've got this lovely fluffy rug which I've put in the hallway, and this painting which I think I got this painting from St Luke's Cares, and then some blown up pictures on the walls which I got from Jessop's of my son and his maternal family. And then I got this lovely Japanese tree. I think this was from Dunelm, and I've just hung up some earrings on it. And then I bought this tinsel from Lidl, and this bookshelf unit was from Where did I put my curtain rail? I'm sure it must be somewhere in here. Oh yes. These are my curtain rails here, which did have the little circular things on each side, but they seem to have gone somewhere, which is a bit of a pity, but that's a curtain rail which needs putting up at some point. That's the wallpaper I already told you about. Oh no, my tinsel's fallen on the floor. The great thing about this tinsel, and I think it is intentional, is that yesterday when I woke up and I came into this hallway, it was before I met up with my friend Rian on Saturday. I need to take off these sold stickers, don't I? But anyway, you come in here and basically the light shards in the tinsel reflect off the walls. So it kind of looks like a day disco, which was lovely. So we've taken off that sold sticker, and I think we should take off this one too, because we've bought these now. We officially own these because they are mine. I'm not paying off any loans on them. This is my property. I own it. I don't know if there's a label on this table. No, I got that table from Next Door app. A man who lived near to Alwoodley in North Leeds, and he gave me the table for £25. And then asked me if I wanted to buy a lamp, and I just didn't have the capabilities to reply or collect it, so I just might reply to that at some point. Okay, so we're nearly done. This is now the kitchen, which is spotless. It's had a good clean today. Okay, so where should we start with this? So this is a rack, which I think I got from Lidl. This I think was Dunelm. Loads of cleaning products in there. Brushes in a mug. More cleaning products over there. And then this is my most exciting purchase. This is a small coffee machine, which I haven't used yet. From Swan. I ordered it on Amazon. It was reduced from £120 to £70. And I just love the aesthetic of it. I thought it was really lovely. But I just have no idea how to start using it. So I've got this instruction manual, and I'm going to have to put some time aside to properly get to grips with it. But that's that. I've also got a milk frother, which maybe will donate. This says Home Sweet Home. I think I got a new bin, nice and clean. And then all my cleaning products, which I've already told you about, my new blender, the flowers, the paintings on the walls, this new pasta dish, and then I got some like new containers for cereal and things. This is gonna, I think, be for coffee, because of the fact that I've just bought some coffee for the coffee machine, so I'll put that in there. Got some new cereal, some more storage containers there for flour and sugar, fridge, and then cans of stuff which I've never drunk and need throwing away. I don't know why I even bought them. The fridge is not looking too shabby. Got quite a lot of nice. Got this little Alpro soya drink for my son, and lots of yogurts, soft cheese, chutneys, bananas, cherries, broccoli, milk, coconut water, orange juice, ketchup. And then in the fridge we've got some spring rolls which actually need eating from yesterday. They're in the oven, and some pita bread and all sorts of things. This says, if we take care of the moments, the years will take care of themselves. This is from Dublin, where I went when I was 6 months pregnant, and I remember walking past this and taking a picture of it. when I was doing a bus tour of Dublin when I was 6 months pregnant, so I put that on the fridge. And then all these labels that say like spread, spaghetti, pasta. Those are my boxing gloves from when I did a boxing program last year. New mug, new sponge. I've tidied all the cupboards, they're looking a lot more tidy now, which is good. I've like put labels up and everything, which is really good. So yeah, oven gloves up there. There's not really that much to write home about in here, to be honest. Pretty basic but nice and clean. And then the cupboards have got a lot of clothes in them over there, which is good. And then I think that is pretty much everything. So I hope you've enjoyed my house tour. Do visit and come again, and I'll see you when I see you.